Welcome to the front of me Motorola Edge 30 Pro, and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So just first hold for a while the application and drag this app to another one. And as you can see here, we got the new folder on our device screen. We can move this folder on the screen, just hold it and drag it, for example here. If you want to add one more application, by the same way, hold the app and drag it to this folder. You can also give a name to the folder, just click here to edit name and, for example, enter the apps. Click here to OK, and as you can see, we just successfully renamed our folder. We can move this folder between the screens, or also we can create a new screen with this folder. And if you want to just remove some apps from this folder, hold it for a while and drag it here to the home screen if you want to stay with this app on the home screen, or also you can just hold for a while and click here to drag it here to remove icon. But don't worry, this icon we'll just remove this icon from the home screen, but we'll stay with this icon here on our apps menu, as can you see. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.